Imagine you're standing inside a shape. Step in any direction. Up, down, left, or right. Is there always a little room before you cross the edge? But right at the edge? One wrong step, and you're out. That single question defines one of the most useful ideas in mathematics, the open set. A set U is open when every point inside it has breathing room, a tiny disk around that point that still fits completely inside U. For every x in U, there's some epsilon greater than 0, so the ball of radius epsilon around x stays entirely inside U. Watch what happens right at the edge. On the left, the boundary itself was never part of the set. Shrink the circle enough, and it always fits inside. On the right, the boundary is included. Sit exactly on it, and no circle, however small, ever fits entirely inside. This set is not open. The same idea works in one dimension. The open interval a to b gives every point room to wiggle in both directions. The closed interval fails, right at its endpoints. There's nowhere left to go. So remember this. Open means freedom. Every single point inside the set can move a little, in every direction, and never leave. That's the quiet beauty of an open set.